In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download QuickBooks onto your desktop. If you're looking to streamline your accounting process and have a reliable offline option, this is the perfect solution for you. Let's dive right into the steps and make sure that by the end of this video, you'll have QuickBooks up and running on your computer. Firstly, to get started, you'll need to go to the QuickBooks website. Open your internet browser and enter the URL, or simply search for QuickBooks online. Once you're there, make sure that you've logged into your account. Having an account is necessary because it gives you access to download the app, providing offline functionality and other features that can improve your accounting workflow. With QuickBooks open in your browser, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner where you'll find the settings icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu featuring various options that you can use to personalize and optimize your QuickBooks experience. This menu is your gateway to accessing the desktop app, which is what we're looking for in this session. Upon clicking Settings, a list of options will appear. What you want to do next is locate and click on the option that says, Get the Desktop App. This option is your lifeline to taking QuickBooks offline and having a desktop icon to quickly access your accounting needs with just a tap, without having to open a web browser each time. After selecting Get the Desktop App, you'll be directed to a page providing options for downloading the app compatible with your system. Whether you're using Mac or Windows, you simply need to select the appropriate download button. If you're on a Windows operating system, click on Download for Windows. And likewise, if you're using a Mac, choose Download for Mac. This ensures that the version you're downloading is tailored to work seamlessly with your computer's operating system. Now, as the download begins, it would be a good time to mention that depending on your internet connection speed, the download process might take a few minutes. Be patient and make sure your internet connection remains stable throughout. Once the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder to find the QuickBooks installation file. Double-click on the file to initiate the installation process. Installation is usually straightforward. You just need to follow the prompts, selecting options that suit your preferences. Once installed, you can sign into your account directly from the app and start managing your finances with a simple, user-friendly interface right on your desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed QuickBooks onto your desktop. This simple yet effective process ensures that you have quick and easy access to manage your financial records offline. Don't forget to regularly update the app to enjoy the best performance and the latest features QuickBooks has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.